How to read Instagram messages without seeing it. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Here, scroll down, you will find Messages and Story Replies. Click on Messages and Story Replies. After that, click on Show Read Receipts. And if it's enabled, turn it off. After you turn it off, even if you read the message, people won't get notification of seen. As you can see, others can see when you have read their messages, and if you turn this off, others cannot see when you have read their messages. And this is how to read Instagram messages without seeing. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.